So I have 3-axis gimbal. So, a friend of mine on Facebook who does motorcycle videos told me how he gets his shots, and so I purchased one. I haven't really used it. I've had it for a year now. I used it last week. I'm going to use it again. It's a pretty cool piece, actually. It has a motor in it that will keep your camera at level. So I'm using the GoPro Hero 3 there because it doesn't have digital stabilization, but the 3-axis gimbal will do the stabilization for me. So this is what it looks like. If I bring it to life like this, you'll see that it straightens up, and no matter how I move it, it's going to stay on the parallel. I'm going to hook this on the bike, and we're going to go out and give it a try. So in order to do this, I have a ram mount like you'd use for your GPS. I have a ball hooked on the bottom of my gimbal, and I'm going to stick it into the ram mount right here. And tighten it up, and then we'll be good to go. There we are, all in place on the bike. And so we'll head out and try to get a couple of shots with the gimbal in the position. I can have it pointed at me or off to the side, but no matter how I do, it's going to stay on the level, which is a nice clear shot for everybody. So let's go out, give it a try. It's a Feiyu Tech G5. They have a G6 out now, but it's good for the motorcycle, and also is good for walking as well. And just thought I'd make that little video and show you what 7 different ways that you can hook these cameras to your motorcycle. Alright, thanks for watching.